Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Adventures. I am Luxa.
I'm Tabby.
I've calmed down, everything is fine. Gave me a nice little back rub per my begging her.
he was so tense.
Look.
He was clenched up and he's like, how about a back rub? And I'm like, I'd love one, thanks.
So that's chapter 2, we don't want that. I think the other ones are... Can we climb up here somehow? No, I guess it's upstairs.
We gotta use the thingy. Go to the right, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So...
I'm gonna try not to irritate you.
Leave.
A library. This is where I belong.
Just climb up it. Yeah.
Really my thing.
I believe this is the way to the next batch.
But do you know the way to San Jose?
Okay, don't touch it, but it's chapter 5. Oh, challenge 5. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, challenge 5. Be quick or be dead. This won't be a problem.
I'm dead.
Oh, this is peaceful looking. It's
a trick.
Oh wait, our guy's right there.
No, it's a trick.
Wait, okay.
It's a trick.
I see what we gotta do. Jump on me.
Yeah, that will solve all our problems. Oh, no, I missed. Come here. Come here. There we go. Oh my.
Where'd he go?
I feel like we're playing tag. The goal is safe.
Can we get on the picnic table? I think we can.
It's fine. He's fast.
Yeah. Okay, but this is the right idea. This is significant.
Let's say it. Don't you dare
This
jinx
is
it.
significantly easier.
You just push it a
What is that thing crawling in the background? The green thing?
I don't know if it can harm us. Why don't you just jump on the picnic table?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fair. At least it's honest. I feel like I don't know. I don't know. Jump over.
I've made a huge mistake, actually.
We didn't.
Yes, I did. Because I can't get to the other side. Oh, wait, okay.
I'm jumping.
Ooh.
Little by little.
Yes, this
Inch by inch.
This is not a good way to do this, but it is a way. Oh, that was a mistake.
This is like edge of your seat. Ah, jump. Why didn't you jump?
Because I'd rather be... Oh, shit.
Jumped.
There.
Been done 3 seconds.
Done. Okay.
High five, buddy boy. That was less than an hour. Aww.
That one looks like a girl.
It's so cute.
High five you.
High five me. Acknowledge me. I was the backpack. I am Boots and Cats.
No, Boots isn't the backpack. Boots is the monkey or explorer.
Boots and Cats.
Okay. I don't think I've seen a single episode of Dora Explorer either.
I can't remember. I think it was on when I was like at a cousin's house.
Well, it was a little...
Whoosh.
Oh, look at him chilling back there.
Ooh. Oh, hey, buddy. What you
it zoomed in.
doing? Oh, there's another thing. That's challenge 6.
That's what we want.
Whoosh.
This is gonna be the hard one now.
Please hold me.
You keep hanging on.
To what we got. Something.
Oh, this one looks like it'll be fun. It's not fun anymore.
Oh, there's a thing!
Oh.
Luke, jump!
What?
It killed you!
What?
The little fire thing! Ah! Look, it's there! It exists!
Look what we have to do.
What?
We have to swing.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to.
Let's go. Just... Alright, jump. Jump and swing, jump and swing.
Fuck me.
This is tricky.
Not gonna be easy.
Okay. Ready? Oh, okay. Just keep going. Be my decoy. Keep going. Keep going. This is great. We're all good, guys. All right. So we're gonna push this off and then jump. Keep going. You're almost there.
Where is there?
I don't know, but it's.
Oh no.
Is this not it?
What are we doing? I don't know.
That felt good to me.
He's after me. He's after me, Lucky Charms.
I don't understand where to go.
I don't either. He severed our cord. I don't like it. Buddy boy, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh no. What is our objective? We're trapped.
I'm very confused.
Do we have to tie something? Do we have to tie it and make a like bouncy thing?
Oh, wait. It was starting to roll. Oh.
We just have to stay
I know
alive?
what to do. No, okay. So look. So we're knocking the small one over when we do that. We want the big one to go. So yes, we are going to be just staying alive while that rolls down. You understand?
Oh, that's why it said just keep hanging on.
Just keep. I pushed the. I didn't think I had it. All right, here we go.
This is taking too long. Is it over yet?
I like this actually.
Do you? Is this fun? I couldn't tell. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Buddy boy!
Oh, that's difficult.
Yeah, but it's fun! It's so much fun!
I like a challenge. I don't like it when it's like unreasonable. Do you want to jump on my back?
No!
Okay.
I'm the one doing okay!
Doing okay.
It singled me out. I was like, oh, you were doing okay, were you? I was! You came into existence! Oh my gosh, I need to stop talking with my mouth.
Do you have other means?
I don't want to talk about it.
Come over here, you.
I will.
Not you.
Oh no.
I was trying to.
Oh no.
I'm so glad you pulled me down.
Right? No, not yet. I wasn't ready. I was itching my back.
Good.
Oh gosh. Right in my face. It's not like no.
I like this a lot better. This is my kind of tricky.
You say this now. However, maybe you should jump on my back.
I mean, we could take turns if you want.
If it comes to this, possibly. Oh good, it's coming after me again.
Whatever you're doing, keep doing it.
Please help me, I'm tiny.
No, you were doing it.
I'm ready.
How do you get on the back? I was trying to get on yours.
Oh, were you? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were just
drowning. No, I was trying to get on your back. I don't know how to do it.
Push.
I
go
don't
right next
ever
to me.
do it.
Yes.
All right, your turn. And she gallops across like a united burger.
A united burger?
I think that's the name of a menu item to a place I go. Oh, is it your turn again? Okay, good.
It's okay, we'll be quick.
But no one saw it. It was censored by the
oh, sorry.
Oops. Okay. Right.
Oh.
Okay. All right,
I think
my
I'm here.
turn.
See, I was trying to distract it by making it go through my rope, and that seemed to help. I kept going down under it. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Well, look at you. Spider Luxa does whatever Sir Luxa desires. Can he swing in Unravel too? Oh my gosh.
No!
Poo.
It ended up
My
too small.
turn.
Yeah.
Well, I technically had 2 turns. Do you want to go again?
Sure. Boosh.
Kaboom.
Oh, no. Is this how my turn's going, huh?
Well, that's how mine went. Oh you
my
have
gosh.
chance.
No, I don't.
You had more of a chance than I did. All right, ready? Ready? Ready?
Go for the gold.
Whew. What am I doing? Oh my gosh!
How did I let go?
Did I hit it? I didn't mean to.
Here, try again.
No, you go.
Go.
Here, no, you go.
Like, you need to get on then.
Whoosh. I am the cape.
That was used to be a show.
I am the cape?
There was a show called The Cape. It was an old superhero TV show.
I don't know this one.
Yeah, apparently it was criminally underrated and it wasn't very good. So, criminally underrated. What? Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh no.
Got this.
That's what you get for believing in me. Oh no.
It was halfway there, too.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah.
Oh, the sadness. I
turn.
was in the groove, sir.
I want to just tick tock, tick.
That's what I was doing that one time.
Tock. Woohoo. There's another one? Wasn't part of the deal.
We never made it this far before.
Tick-tock.
Please. Please, no. Get over there.
Oh my gosh, no. No!
Oh my gosh. No, you're doing this again.
Oh, I am? Okay.
No, get on my back.
I'm trying.
I don't know that I can beat TikTok here.
You're great. You want another one?
No!
Okay.
Oh my gosh, no.
And get on.
Boom.
Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Watch when the second one gets there.
Tick. Where is the second one?
It's coming.
I keep like
No, I'm staying on.
Alright.
You got a method. I'm not. Nope.
Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
It looks confused.
Tick off. I'm ticked
Yeah.
off.
Yeah, no,
In the
I
last
know.
episode I was ticked off. Now it's tick.
Go! No, you should have let go and swung to the other one.
I understand. Good one. Oh. Alright. I'm feeling good about this. Because I had it, I just...
You did.
I can be your hero,
You
baby.
be the hero.
I don't know the words forever. I can be your hero.
Ready to speak.
So now he's gonna come up. Okay, cool.
I'll let go.
Uh-huh.
Swing down.
Because what's happening is that I'm not getting enough rope. When I like go to the next one, I just keep cutting myself short somehow. Because like here, I got a ton of rope. So it works great. I aim high, he goes high. If I can get the other one to just join him, I'll be okay. So what I'm trying to do now is desync this a little bit. Oh, so that was the right idea. Okay. I still might be able to do that.
Hi. save the world.
What?
I think it was a song. Justin Timberlake and... Can you sing it?
I don't know. I don't even know the main singer.
Justin Timberlake.
I mean, that's what I'm saying though. Like, I don't know any.
I thought it was in the Get Smart movie. Oh no.
I can't jump out of the water, huh? And then the second one shows up.
I feel like the bucket should have floated longer than that.
Kill me. I'm trying to get a new pattern. I think I know what I want to do now. I'm gonna change the pattern a little bit. I want to start over here. Yeah. Okay. So I'm. Oh, why did it grab another one?
I could not say.
I pushed the left trigger accidentally.
Oh, I've pushed the wrong buttons many a time.
Ooh. This is good. This is the way I want it.
These fire things leave a trail of death behind them.
That's fine.
I don't think so.
Just gotta vacuum later.
Oh my gosh.
So tell me when he's coming.
He coming now. Fast and furious.
I didn't realize he was coming that high. So a lot of this is gonna be skipped. Like editing wise.
You do. Ali Maria's here, Ali Babwa. Strongest 10 regular men, definite. Momentum, boy!
Yeah.
Thrust! I went over my calculations here and I got the key and it's thrust!
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
I should surely hope not.
Whoa.
This game was more
I feel
fun
like I'm
when I
doing
could
worse.
troll you.
The challenges were a bad idea.
Correct.
Yeah, for real though, why is it so slow?
I think that's part of the challenge. Okay, the guy's gonna be coming.
Oh good, you're paired up. Oh no. Oh, look at that. That's exactly what I want. Oh. I didn't realize. I thought there was still a board there.
Oh, good gravy.
That's it.
Come on, buddy.
Got the yellow
It's
one.
not about you.
That wasn't nearly as bad.
I was trying to take a notification off my phone and instead it's decided to play it.
Which is Studio C.
Yes.
Good.
Right there, Bubbles?
Yeah. Bubbles.
Well, you're getting gassy, so...
Yeah.
Blah.
Had a big lunch.
I understand. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Oh, no.
Alright, so get off me. Alright, thank you everybody. Don't go in there. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I'm Luxa.
I'm Tiffany!
God bless you.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh my gosh, my butt is hanging down.
I mean, you did that.
I didn't mean to. I thought this was normal.